In this video, I'm going to show you where your subscriptions are on the iPhone. So it is a topic that people are interested in, and whenever you subscribe to like Apple Music or any kind of in-app purchase, where can you find it? So you open up the settings, and literally the first thing that you see is your name or like your profile within the Apple account. So when you tap on this, you can see a bunch of different settings, and one of them is called subscriptions. So it is that simple, and you can easily get there with just a click of a few buttons. Now, this subscription page is going to be separated into two sections. So we have the active subscriptions, the stuff that you are currently paying for, which you are charged like every month or so, depends on the subscription. And then you also have the inactive subscriptions from the past where you just canceled it, but there is still like the record of this. Also at the bottom, you have like the emails for receipts and also sharing with family options. And also every single one of them has the ability to be canceled when you click on it. So there's like a big cancel subscription button, and you can easily just stop that if you wish. You can also see when it renews, so it's kind of useful to know that as well, how much time you have left, and even if you cancel, you can still use it until your subscription expires. With some options, you can even switch to a different plan if that's available. You can do that directly in here, so it's good because you don't have to dig through that specific app. Also, you can sort the subscriptions by price, app name, or renewal date. So different ways of sorting might be useful for different people. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you in this tutorial. I honestly hope that I could help you at least a little bit with something. So thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.